everyone. Energetica India is here at the India Energy Week, and today we have with us Mr. Suresh Agasti, Business Head Green Hydrogen, TKIL Industries. Hello, sir. How are you?
Hello, I am great. Good morning to you, and I hope you are enjoying the India Energy Week. Same with all other participants.
Yes, sir. So, sir, starting with the interview, my first question is: could you walk us through TKIL's green hydrogen initiatives in India, particularly?
Thank you very much. So TKL is very committed because we have been in India and supporting the all infrastructure segment since independence. And TKL as a company is very much into the core sector. Most of our core sector falls into steel sector, cement, mining, sugar, wheat energy. So there we see enormous potential of the green hydrogen into this sector to decarbonize India's various industrial sector. And India is committed to decarbonize by 2070, and TKL is not very far away because this provides us immense opportunity to support our customers who have been with us for last more than 75 years, and including the new industries which is developing as mobility, the blending with natural gas stream. So green hydrogen throws immense opportunity. That is first thing. Second thing is TKL, since we are very much present pan India and also many other countries in the regions, especially Southeast Asia, MENA and other regions, we see green hydrogen can really revolutionize the decarbonization goal and create hydrogen economy. From TKL perspective, we are very committed and we have invested into technology side, and this is a very highly efficient technology, and this technology actually can produce green hydrogen at small to mass scale, decentralized to fully large scale green hydrogen production facility, and we can integrate this green hydrogen to various industry use. So that is how TKL is committed across the value chain, and from green hydrogen production to the green hydrogen even utilization at large scale.
So, sir, my next question is: could you tell us a bit about this process from solar to hydrogen conversion?
Yeah, unlike the electrolyzer, the technology which TKL is supporting is basically direct solar to hydrogen production. So this has various immense, positive things, which is basically on the efficiency side and also overall land utilization. Because green hydrogen, in particular, see, it is very energy intensive. Most of the operational cost is basically electricity, green electricity, I would say, green electrons. There, this technology can really support the green hydrogen economy while utilizing minimum energy source, RE sources, because it has capability of directly converting solar energy to green hydrogen. So the technology comes with a photoelectrochemistry device which is called photoelectrochemical reactor, and this has capability to directly absorb the solar and convert this solar energy through the photons to hydrogen at very low cost. And also it has a lot of operational efficiency, like the seamless operation and maintenance, and very less, I would say, the maintenance cost. And barring that, the energy efficiency is also almost 2 times the electrolyzer, and also it produces high purity oxygen. Since we don't add anything in this process, it's a solid chemistry. The direct water exactly maintains the stoichiometry. Around 9 liter of water produces 1 kg of hydrogen, green hydrogen, and 8 kg of oxygen, and also enormous amount of heat which we absorb through the solar concentrator, basically 1,000 times. And this heat is available as a CHP utilization. So our system can be used as CHP, combined heat and power, which can provide oxygen, hydrogen, and also heat. And also this device has a potential to also provide electricity when there is no production of hydrogen. But our main target is to produce hydrogen, green hydrogen, for decarbonizing the industrial sectors.
So, my last question to you is: how your experience has been so far at the India Energy Week?
This is a fantastic event, and I have been attending the India Energy from last year in Delhi, and also most of the customers are visiting us who are into the green hydrogen space, be it on the technology, be it on the development side, how we can collaborate and develop green hydrogen and support the green hydrogen economy. in the India Energy Week, if you see, almost in all the halls, the talk about green hydrogen is there. Most of the large-scale oil companies and oil and gas companies, I would say, they are supporting the green hydrogen initiative, and also the entire value chain players, like from the electrolyzer manufacturer, component supplier, and also the demand side also, and RE side, which are actually supporting the green hydrogen production. So everybody is here, and this is a fantastic place to basically collaborate and support the green hydrogen initiative. And there TKL find really very supportive and also interesting place to collaborate with all our vendors, all our customers, and also other players, so that we can actually create a very distinct position in the green hydrogen market. And we are very happy about this event, and it is really fantastic to be here, and we'll continue to support the green hydrogen and also utilize this platform to market our offerings and also support the ecosystem in future as well. Thank you very much.
Great to know that, sir. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you very much.